Hello friends, in this video we will learn a basic MVC application and we will learn how to go from one view to another with a click of a button. And I'm using Visual Studio 2030 which is a Express edition and a free version. So just click on this Visual Studio Express. Click on new project. And here just select ASP.NET MVC4 web application and just give it some name. Basics of MVC application, just click on OK. Select empty version because we don't want anything in there. If I select basic version, there will be some template created by itself. Just select on empty, click on OK. Now we have a empty MVC application and we can see here there is no model, no view and no controller. Let's talk a little bit about the routing. So routing, we have already default routing defined, which is basically controller name is home, action name is index. We can change it, but right now we don't want to, and we will just create these controller and action methods and we will just test our application. So go to controller, add controller. Just give it a name home controller because we have already defined, and all these methods, if we select one of these, basically, so this has already predefined template, but we don't want that. Just create empty MVC application, click on add. Okay, so now we have one predefined method in it, action method, which is index, but if you see there is no view, so just add one view. Click here, right click, add view. So view engine is Razor, so that's what we want, and we don't want to create a strongly typed view, we don't want to create a partial view, and there is no layout, so we have to uncheck this, so it will be view by itself. Click on add. So we have view, and add some text here. Save it, and now just click F5 to run it. Yeah, so this is working fine. Just go back, close the application. So now what we have to do is, now we will add one more view, and by clicking on a button we will go to that view. So let's go to controller, home controller. So controller will be the one, but we can have a different view in that based on a different action methods. So just copy this action method, and give it a new name, about. Let's call it about, and add view. Same way, right click, add view, and rest everything will be the same. Just say add. So we have this view. Add some text here, welcome to about view. Okay, save it. Go to the index view, and we have to add a button here. Add some div first, and inside it add some button. Input type equal to button, value, we can just say click me. On click equal to save time, I have already copied this. Okay, so this is basically whenever we have add directive, so it shows that there is some code, and the compiler has to execute this code. So just save it, copy the whole thing, and we will paste it in about. Instead of index, we will just add it. Yeah, index is correct, so other place we have to change it to about, and just save it again, and click on F5, run the application. Welcome to index view. Now click welcome to about view. Click again, welcome to index view. So application is working fine. So we have learned how to create a basic empty MVC application, and how to add two views, and by clicking on one button, how to go to other view, and how to come back to the same view. Thank you so much for watching this video.